What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Top Crypto channel. Today we're going to be talking about a really cool marketplace where you can put your own NFT projects on, where you can search for the greatest NFTs that day, everything you need. Now, before we do that, please note the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I mostly do it because I like hanging out with you guys. I like finding new projects, and hopefully we can connect and make some money together. So let's dive right in. So let's get straight into it. It is Rarible.com. Please note all the links will be down below. Please only use trusted links as always. So as you can see, this is a really cool marketplace website. Now I'm going to take you through the basic steps of how to use it, what we can do on here, and then hopefully after this video you can dive in yourself. So at the top we've got explore my profile, following activity, how it works, community. You can create yourself an account and you can sign in. Now one of the biggest part of this website for me is the top collection. You can do the top collection in 1 day. You can change it to 7 days, 30 days. Now as a researcher, what we do is we like to go into the 1 day, search for what's trending that day, and try and make a video so relevant to what we're talking about for the 1 day time period. Now I also check the 7 and I do check the 30 as well. That is for a more broad to check that what we've researched is carrying on the trend line that we thought, but the 1 day is the special character. So go into the 1 day, have a look. So you can see number 1 here right now is Arcade Land as I record this. Moving on, and you can see the ticks on there, and that means they are official, they are notified, they are recognized by this marketplace as a legit project. Going through, we got some big ones: Alien Friends, Mutant Apes. Mutant Apes has dropped to 13. Bored Apes is up there on number 7, taking it away. CloneX is at 5. Again, go in there. I'm going to show you what happens when you change it. 7 days. CloneX has took the number 1 spot for 7 days. Then we got Mutant Ape Club. This, like I said, you follow the trend line. So if you're researching a project and it's been 30 days, go on the 30 days. Check if it's come into the top 30. If it has, you know that you called it right. You know that it's doing what it said it wants to do. Taking you on the explore side now. You're going to click explore. Go through what chain you want to do it on. So for example, let's click the Polygon because it's in the beta season right now. And let's have a look what we got. So going down, you can see some of the cool projects that we already know through the Polygon. I'm going to click on Block Avatar here, or Block Vatar, sorry. This is number 29838. Just to give you an example, it's common Block Vatar. Although common, very Block Vatar is unique, and there will never be two of the same. They're really cool. I'm not personally involved in this, so this isn't me trying to promote one. Please note that. I just clicked this as an example. The owner is the Ape Collection Club, so what you can do, just like on other marketplaces, see their properties. You can also click on whoever owned it. For example, Ape Collection Club. We can see what else Ape Collection Club owned or developed, and so on. So this is what you should be doing when you're researching and exploring what NFT project you want to get involved with. Now let's go to the old famous Ethereum. Probably, I'm not going to put a guarantee or a disclaimer somewhere, it's probably the biggest in the NFT world. Now they've got all sorts on. As you can see here, we have your ETH names that you can buy. We have all different kind of NFTs. Just scroll down, explore what it is you're looking for, find one that you like. Maybe it's that you like the Sneaky's Internet Friend, that kind of drawings. Maybe it's you like the Soccer Dodge. Dive into them, have a look, see how they're doing, look at the owners, look what else they have built, what else they have released, and really get into a project, get a feel for what it is you're wanting to do here. One thing I'm going to note, which is super cool, is as you are on this marketplace, right, this is a little bit different to, I would say, OpenSea and everything else, purely because it's so easy and fast to use. Now, we don't spread FUD. I'm not slagging off any other project, but what I mean is just by one little scroll of the finger going down, you can see the hottest bid of the day, the top 1 to 7 to 30 days NFT project, the top seller in day 1, a live auction straight on the website, hot collections straight on the website telling you this is the hottest one that you should be owning right now. Not only go and buy this, but if you did buy this and you haven't been keeping up with it, this is a hot collection, you're in luck. Down to explore, things like that. I just think it's the ease of this website makes it a lot more valuable to a beginner in NFTs, a lot more valuable to someone that is an expert because you know what you're looking for, and it's just easier to explain and to use. Now, I'm going to click on an NFT project and just talk about that project right now. I want to show you again how easy it is just to click on a project and have a look through it. So we're going to go with the famous Bored Ape Yacht Club. I'm going to click on that because it's in the top 1 of the hottest today. We're going to scroll down. It gives you everything you need to know. The contract address, just like most marketplaces should. It gives you the official tick. Now it tells you the highest sale, the floor price, the market cap, the items, the owners, and the total volume. You can get the links. You can click the more tabs and you can claim ownership from it. You can also report the page. Now you have your sort on the side where you can recently add, high to low, auction ending soon, and what it's on right now, which is low to high. Low to high is the most popular because if you're trying to get into an NFT project, unless you have a specific rarity that you're trying to get, you want to try and get the lowest price. Now, go through all these, have a good look. We all know Bored Ape Yacht Club is incredible. Like you see here, the lowest one right now is 109.5 ETH. For most of us watching this channel, I assume this is out of our reach. But these all started somewhere from the bottom. That's what you've got to remember. Do not be blindsided. A famous quote that I really love to use is, do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 100. And basically what that means is, just because somebody's got 2 Bored Apes, they still might have got that at the start. There's still people in here that own 2 Bored Apes from the start when it was only a couple of $100. That was their chapter 1. Now your chapter 1 is to get on here and explore and find an NFT that you really love. Watch this channel, watch all of the channels we're involved in, and explore the NFTs we promote, because that's your chapter 1. And soon, maybe in 2 years, obviously disclaimer, maybe in 4 years, you might have one that I'm reviewing on here saying this is out of my reach. That's your chapter 100. So keep that in mind, please. Do it. It's like any other NFT marketplace. Scroll down, choose the one you want. I want to buy Bored Ape Yacht Club 9145 in my dreams, of course. It'll show you the highest bid, what it's on sale for, the creator, how much royalties they get, what collection, and then you can go through all the history and things that you would think would be on here. Now it'll show you floor bid, or if it wasn't, the history from it, where it's been. It's very unique that you can track every single thing through the NFT world. I really like that. And then of course, the buy and the place bid. What you want to do if you want to buy it is press buy, get started. So you'll sign in with your wallet. I'm not going to do that right now. That is what you would do. Then you would buy it if you have enough Ethereum. If you do, let me know in the comments right now if you've got a Bored Ape. Big praise to you. You're going to be very wealthy for the rest of your life, in my opinion. So that's what we have for you today. Now, it was a brief overview, a little bit of an insight how to get through this website, how to use it. Please, 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 if it wasn't enough, if it was not covered everything that you wanted it to, get in the comments, let me know, and I will try my very best to message you and figure it out for you. I'm here to help. Everyone on this channel is here to help, whether it's me, any of the other presenters, any of the team behind it. We are here to try and excel your NFT journey, your crypto journey, your overall investing journey. So please, if you need help, just ask. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It does help the algorithm, and it makes me feel a little good inside, don't get me wrong. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see my beautiful face many times, bringing you some interesting projects. If that's it, have a blessed day. Please, please be safe. I'll see you on the next video.